This is the 2022 range of motorhomes from EuraMobil. This is an Integra 760QF. I bet you'd never have guessed that that was the name of the vehicle. It's got a 10-year water ingress guarantee. That is to say it won't ingress for 10 years. It's not to say that they guarantee it will, and at the end of that it'll stop possibly. 150,000 euros this thing costs. It is 4.5 ton or 5 ton basis, 140 horsepower, 789 centimeters long, 232 wide, height 292, and inside it will give around 2 meters of standing height. Around. Oh, maybe I'm exaggerating there, about 190 something actually, I think. On reflection, let's go to the back. This has got a queen bed. Storage around it, and the queen bed, very nice. And at the bottom down there we haven't got a chest of drawers. I thought there was one, but there isn't, and maybe there was and it got pinched. There's just all sorts of stuff going missing here. This will close like this. Whoa, that worked easily. And oh no, there is not stuck. I didn't do this. There you go. There it'll go across now. And there you have it. So, we'll have a look at what this looks like. I'll go and sit on the bed. So there's your view down the motorhome. What, you think that looks boring? Okay then, let's see if we can make it any better. There you go. Is that any better? What do you think of that now? Good or not? No, it's not so good, is it? Let's move out of the bedroom and see what else, if there's anything else to be found in here. Now, when I came in here, didn't turn all the lights on, so I'm going to come back here and turn the lights on. There you go. Oh, well, that didn't work, did it? It's a pity, because the shower here is quite nice with the lights on. And I'll show you the toilet as well, assuming that it's going to be visible. Lights came on here. So, two possibilities. The lights are broken, or I don't know how to turn the lights on in it. One of the two. Here we have the kitchen, and what's quite good about this, 3 burners. That's not what's quite good about that, because that's nothing odd about that. But here, this is good. Put this over to one side, and you see here we've got that molded sink and nice place to put your washed up plates and whatever. I have to put when I have a lot of them, because I sort of stack them up a bit, you know, collect dirty plates. You know, some people collect stamps, other people collect postcards, and I collect dirty plates. Then I end up stacking them on there when I get around to doing. Actually, on the serious side, if you're on when I don't know when I'm getting water from next time, I don't wash my plates, and for that reason it's like saving water. Then I'm on the campsite and bang, I just do everything. So I mean, now I should be doing things on a daily basis. I'm on the campsite as normal. So, but because I leave very early in the morning, I want to get filming done. I get back late in the evening, and the result is that I don't really have the time to do it. I'm just too tired. So by the time I get kicked out of here, then lots of your mates on the campsite. You like sort of spend a bit of time with them. Drink a bit of wine, and then stagger back to the van at about midnight, and I'll wake up at 5 o'clock, the same as I do when I'm somewhere by myself normally. Anyway, that apart, that's my life. Here, that table looks a bit on the small side. I reckon the table could be a bit bigger. I'd have to say that this one here is not as nice as the top of the range model, even though it costs more or less the same. So, although I could just about drive this one, whereas I don't think I could drive the other one because it's too long, I think. I shall show you the top of the range model as I depart from this one here. Anyway, carpet is just down to protect the floor. In the floor, there's a double floor here, so you've got storage in the floor, which I might be able to demonstrate by lifting this up. There you go. Can you see that? You've got the storage down there. All right. Right, garage at the back. Let's walk around. Tag axle. Here, we'll open this one up here. This is the gas cupboard. And there's a look at the garage. Okay, I'm going to show you, for comparison's sake, this one here, which is, it's almost the same price, very little difference, and you could negotiate the price of this one down to whatever that one is. And queen bed, but the difference here is the size. This is 890 centimeters long, so it's an extra meter in width, but really as comparison for what you could get for the same money, of course the equipment levels might be different, and that's the important thing. If you want to see this in more detail, there's another video of it. Oh, I can't stand seeing toilets open. Can't explain that. It's just the way I am. There's your sink, and there's a cover for it somewhere. Don't know where it's gone. They've got wonderful curves. Anyway, really like this van. I'll take you around the back as well. Right, but the start, you can see that in a separate video. The start of this video is this one, the Integra 760 QF. So it's well, queen bed in 8-meter class motorhome at around 150,000 euros. So thanks for watching. Hope you found that interesting, and all the best from Düsseldorf.